In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display additional company details on your online invoices in Xero. Whether you're aiming to present a more professional image to your clients or simply want to provide them with all the important information up front, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, head over to your Xero dashboard. At the very top left corner of your screen, you'll see your company name displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu that gives you access to several important settings and customization options. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you can control and customize different parts of your Xero account to better match your business needs. Once you're inside the Settings section, direct your attention to the option called Organization Details. Click on it. This area contains all the essential information about your business, including details that can be displayed on your invoices. Now here's where things get interesting. Scroll through the page until you find a setting that says Display Additional Details on your online invoices. You'll notice there's a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and turn that switch on. As soon as you enable this option, you'll see a list of checkboxes appear. These checkboxes represent different types of company information that you can choose to show on your invoices. This could include your business address, phone number, registration details, or any other relevant information that helps your clients understand who they're working with. Take a moment here to carefully select the details that make the most sense for your business. Think about what information your clients might need for communication, record keeping, or trust. Adding the right details can make your invoices look more complete and professional. After you've made your selections, don't forget the most important step, saving your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button. This ensures all your preferences are applied and will be reflected in your future invoices. And just like that, you're done. Now, every time you send an online invoice through Xero, it will include those additional company details you selected. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how your business is perceived, helping you build trust and maintain clear communication with your clients. It's a simple feature, but one that adds a strong layer of professionalism to your financial documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials just like this. And if you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic next, feel free to drop a comment below.